Welcome to BulldogRealty.com. Check out all of our new home communities organized by the county. Each are located within Northeast Georgia. Many qualify for USDA 100% mortgage financing. Go Dogs! Craftsman style 4-bedroom, 3.5 baths, rocking chair front porch, rear patio, open floor plan with custom built cabinets, granite countertops, large kitchen with stainless steel oven, microwave and dishwasher. Greatroom has rock accent fireplace, separate dining room with custom trim package, large master suite with tray ceiling. Master bath has separate garden tub and showers, large walk-in closet, hardwood floors throughout the main level, 2-car garage, professional landscaping. Warranty: the seller will credit buyer.